In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section in ClickFunnels. This guide will help you neatly organize important questions that your visitors might have, enhancing their overall experience and addressing their concerns effectively. First, we begin by accessing the funnel page editor. To do this, navigate to your funnel within the ClickFunnels dashboard. This is your main hub, where all your funnel activities are managed. Once you're in the right funnel, look for the Edit Page button. Clicking this will open up the page editor, which is where all the magic happens. This tool is essential as it allows you to customize your page to suit your brand's look and feel. With the editor open, let's move on to adding a new section. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice several tabs that help you organize different parts of your page. Click on the Sections tab. This is where you'll manage different sections of your page, which can include things like your header, main content, and in our case, the FAQ section. To add the FAQ section, click on Add Section. This will create a new area on your page specifically dedicated to housing your frequently asked questions. It's an effective way to keep your page organized and ensure your visitors can find the information they need quickly and easily. Once your new section is added, you can start inserting content that addresses common questions your customers might ask. It's a good idea to think carefully about these questions and provide clear, concise answers. This not only helps in clarifying any doubts, but also builds trust with your audience, showing them that you are proactive in addressing their potential concerns. Feel free to customize the layout and style of your FAQ section to match your brand. You can adjust the size, background color, and text styles to ensure that the section is visually appealing and coherent with the rest of your page. Remember, the easier it is for users to find and read your FAQs, the more likely they are to feel confident in their purchasing decision or interaction with your brand. That's it. You've successfully added an FAQ section to your ClickFunnels page. Regularly updating this section is a good practice as it keeps the content relevant and helpful, potentially reducing the number of inquiries you have to manage directly. By providing thorough answers here, you allow your visitors to make informed decisions, making this feature a valuable asset to any successful funnel. With these simple steps, you can enhance the efficiency and user-friendliness of your site, leading to better customer satisfaction and improved conversion rates. Now go ahead and try it out for yourself and see the difference it makes to your online presence.